Everyone's idea of forging elite fitness is different. For my daughters, my wife, and I, it's about being better and stronger than you were yesterday, so you can reach your goal, whatever it is. That's why CrossFit is so great. There is no other alternative outcome. You put in the work and the time, and you'll be better, stronger, and faster. It doesn't matter what you have or where you are. Forging elite fitness can be done anywhere. I tell my daughters that you have to be the one that connects the mind and the body in order to go further than you thought you could. As long as you keep a strong mindset and work through failures, listening and applying what is taught, you can be the one.